Wait a minute, let's get this straight. You had bad credit, yet still lucky enough to get into a car loan, but unfortunately, it came with a super high interest and payment you could barely afford, right? You've been doing everything you can to make sure your payments are on time to rebuild your credit, but there has to be a better way. There is. At Cool Car Guys. Listen, there's never been a better time to get out of that high interest loan on a car that you really don't like, right? Can we be honest here? It's true. Every day, Cool Car Guys of Janesville gets our customers into better cars with a lower interest rate and sometimes even a much lower payment. We've even seen customers save over $100 a month in interest alone, just like we did for Beth in Beloit.
Cool Car Guys lowered my interest and monthly car payment. It was so easy.
In the last few months alone, Cool Car Guys have lowered interest and monthly payments for customers you may even know, like Jennifer from Janesville.
They listened and cared, and they took the time to explain everything, so it all made sense. I got it all lowered at the Cool Car Guys.
Listen, don't let this opportunity pass you by, because we all know that these historic rates and car values, they're going to end soon, like forever. So now is your chance to not only get into the car you've always wanted, but also at that monthly payment you can actually afford. So be wise and call the Cool Car Guys. If you have bad credit and don't have a car, it's okay. The Cool Car Guys, we've got you. We can get you into an amazing pre-owned vehicle with little or no money down. Do you see what I mean? There's a reason why our name is the Cool Car Guys. So follow the owl and be wise. Start at the Cool Car Guys. Don't delay. Click below to schedule a test drive and receive a free gift card.
Cool Car Guys. Cool. CoolCarGuys.com. Cool.
Cool.